Selling a senior's home is a big decision. And one of the questions families ask is, should we sell the home as is or invest in repairs to get a higher price? Making the wrong choice can mean wasting time and money and leaving money on the table. In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of selling as is versus making repairs so you can make the best decision for your family. I'm Dale Corpus, a Senior Transition Specialist and real estate expert based in San Ramon, California, helping families in Contra Costa, Alameda, Santa Clara, San Mateo, San Francisco, Solano, and Napa counties navigate senior home sales and transitions. Let's get started. Option 1. Selling as is. Selling as is means you're selling the home in its current condition without making any repairs or improvements. Here are the pros of selling as is. 1. No upfront costs. You don't have to spend money on renovations or staging. 2. It's a faster sale. No delays from contractors or remodeling. 3. Less stress. No need to manage repairs, cleanouts, or showings. So who should sell as is? Well, consider these 3 scenarios. 1, if the home needs major repairs. 2, if the family needs to sell quickly to fund assisted living. And 3, if you want to avoid dealing with contractors and renovation. Many buyers, especially investors and cash buyers, are looking for homes they can fix up themselves, so you can still get a competitive offer. Option 2, making repairs before selling. Some families consider making repairs and updates before selling to increase the value of their home. Here are some of the pros of making the repairs. Higher potential selling price, more buyers may be interested, easier to get traditional financing for buyers. Here are some of the cons of making repairs. 1, upfront costs. Repairs and staging can cost thousands of dollars. 2, it takes longer. Renovations and contractor delays can extend timeline. 3, no guarantee of a big return. The market may not support a much higher sale. Well, who should consider making repairs? 1, if the home only needs minor cosmetic updates. 2, if the family has time and money to invest before selling. And 3, if market conditions support a higher return on investment. How to decide? Sell as is or make repairs? To make the best decision, ask yourself. 1, does your family have the time and money to make repairs? 2, will improvements actually increase your home's value? 3, do you need to sell quickly to fund senior care? If you're unsure, I can help you weigh your options and decide what makes the most sense for your family. Every home sale is different, every situation is unique, but the key is making the right choice for your family's needs. If you're navigating this decision and need expert guidance, I have a Calendly link in the video description box below where you can schedule a free consultation with me. Learn more about my services at www.simplifyseniortransitions.com, or if you have a quick question, you could DM me on Instagram at soldbydale. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.